Good morning, dear students. Today, we'll continue with the chemical properties of metals. In the last period, we discussed two chemical properties of metals. First, reaction with oxygen and reaction with water. Metals, when they react with oxygen, what is formed? Metal oxide. And metal oxides are basic oxide, because metal oxides when dissolved in water form alkali. Second chemical property which we discussed in the last period was reaction of metal with water. So metals when react with water, hydrogen gas is evolved, and along with it what is formed? Metal hydroxide or metal oxide. Okay, now today the third chemical property, reaction of metals with dilute acids. So metals when they react with dilute acids, hydrogen gas is evolved, and along with it salt is formed, and it is a type of displacement reaction. And displacement reaction is always exothermic. Heat is also evolved. The reaction mixture becomes hot. Okay. So metals when react with dilute acids, which gas is evolved? This question comes. Which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. And along with it, what is formed? Salt. Okay. So taking the examples, it will be more clear to you. So Sodium is a metal. When it reacts with dilute acid, and here I am taking hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid. So sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. Students, reactivity series I have discussed earlier in chapter 1. Complete definition and the reactivity series I have given. You go through those reactivity series. Because for displacement reaction, you should know the reactivity series. Okay. So, sodium, it is more reactive than hydrogen. So, sodium will displace hydrogen and take its place. Displace means remove hydrogen and take its place. So, what is obtained? NaCl, and hydrogen comes out in the form of hydrogen gas. And this is a very vigorous reaction. And why it is a vigorous reaction? Because sodium is very reactive metal, highly reactive metal. So how you come to know that it is highly reactive metal? By seeing the bubbles evolved. Hydrogen gas evolved will be vigorous, more amount of hydrogen gas will be evolved with sodium. So you can say that sodium is highly reactive metal. Now come to magnesium. When it reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, magnesium, it is more reactive than hydrogen. So magnesium will displace hydrogen, remove hydrogen and take its place. So what is obtained? Magnesium chloride. Magnesium valency is 2, chloride valency is 1. You will cross multiply. 1 will go with magnesium and 2 will go with Cl. So, what is formula magnesium chloride? MgCl2 plus hydrogen comes out in the form of hydrogen gas. Now, as we move down, sodium, magnesium, zinc, iron, the reactivity goes on decreasing. So, the hydrogen gas evolved will be less. The amount of the rate of evolution of hydrogen gas will be less. So this way you can say that these metals are less reactive by seeing the rate of evolution of hydrogen gas. Okay. Now balance it. How many chloride ion? 2. Here how many hydrogen atom? 2. This side hydrogen 1 and chloride 1. So in front you will add 2. Now this 2 is for hydrogen as well as Cl. And magnesium how many? 1 atom, and this side also 1 atom. Now the equation is balanced. Now next, zinc. When it reacts with hydrochloric acid, dilute, Zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. So zinc will displace hydrogen and take its place. So what is obtained? Zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Why ZnCl2? Zinc valency is 2 and chloride valency is 1. You will cross multiply. So 1 will go with Cl and 2 will go with, no, 1 will go with zinc and 2 will go with Cl. So formula is ZnCl2. Plus, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Again, you have to balance it. Hydrogen atom 2, Cl2 and this side 1. So, in front you will add 2. Zinc 1 atom, here also 1 atom. Now, it is balanced. Next, iron when it reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, iron more reactive than hydrogen. So, iron will displace hydrogen and take its place, and what is formed? Iron 2 chloride, or we say ferrous chloride, because iron has 2 valency, 2 and 3. When 2 valency is used, ferrous. When 3 valency is used, ferric. Or if you write iron, you have to write the valency in Roman numeral within bracket. Okay, so what is formed? Iron chloride, iron 2 chloride or ferrous chloride, FeCl2 plus H2. Which gas is evolved? Hydrogen. Here again, hydrogen atom 2, Cl2, this side 1. So in front you will add 2. Next, when you come to copper, copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So copper cannot displace hydrogen and take its place. So with copper when there is no reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid. So in all these examples, students, what do you observe? These are the metals. These metals, when they react with dilute acid, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. And along with it, what is formed? Salt. Okay, and it is a type of displacement reaction, single displacement reaction, because sodium, this is more reactive than hydrogen, so it is displacing hydrogen from acid and taking its place, and one time displacement takes place, so it is single displacement reaction. And displacement reaction is always exothermic. Heat is also evolved. The reaction mixture becomes hot. Okay, now these metals, sodium, magnesium, zinc, iron, copper, these metals I have written here in decreasing order of reactivity. So how you come to know that these metals are in decreasing order of reactivity? By seeing its reaction with dilute acids. How you come to know? By seeing the rate of evolution of hydrogen gas. With sodium, as it is highly reactive metal, rate of evolution of hydrogen gas will be more. And as you move down, as the reactivity goes on decreasing, the rate of evolution of hydrogen gas goes on becoming less. This way you can identify the given metal is more reactive than the other. Okay, by seeing its reaction with dilute acid. So these all examples I discussed with dilute hydrochloric acid. Now in place of dilute hydrochloric acid, if you take dilute sulfuric acid, what is formula? H2SO4. So here again, sodium more reactive than hydrogen. So sodium will take the place of hydrogen, remove hydrogen and take its place. And what is obtained? Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus which gas is evolved here again? Hydrogen gas. So with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, metals when they react, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Along with it, what is formed? Salt. Okay, why sodium sulfate formula Na2SO4? Because sodium valency is 1. Sulfate valency is 2. You will cross multiply. So 2 will go with Na and 1 will go with SO4. So what is formula? Na2SO4. Now next you have to balance it. Sodium, how many atoms? 2. And this side 1. So in front you will add 2. Hydrogen 2. Here also hydrogen 2. Okay. Now, in reactant side, SO4 sulfate ion is there, which is a polyatomic ion, and in product side also SO4 sulfate ion is there, which is a polyatomic ion. So, if a same polyatomic ion is in the reactant as well as product, take it together and balance, not separately, sulfur and oxygen. So, how many sulfate ion in reactant side? 1. In product side, 1. Now, it is balanced. Okay. So, metals when react with dilute acids, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Along with it, what is formed? Salt. And it is what type of reaction? Displacement. And displacement reaction is always exothermic. Heat is evolved. The reaction mixture becomes hot. Okay.